Are you still paying trading commissions in a world of free trades? If you're a modern investor, especially in Canada, you know the landscape has completely changed. The days of paying $10 a trade are over, replaced by a battle of the brokers. Today, we're putting the two biggest players in the Canadian DIY investing space, Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade, head-to-head. And for our viewers down south, we'll quickly address the elephant in the room, Robinhood. The Robinhood question, the hook. Let's start with the one broker everyone asks about, Robinhood. The short answer? It's not available in Canada. While they are hiring in Canada and have hinted at expansion, for now, you can't open a trading account with them north of the border. So, if you're looking for a Robinhood-style experience, a powerful, mobile-first, low-cost platform, your main choices are Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade. Wealthsimple Trade, the commission-free champion. Wealthsimple Trade is the new school beginner's favorite, and their main selling point is pure simplicity and $0 commissions. The Pro, you pay absolutely zero commission on stocks and ETFs traded on Canadian and U.S. exchanges. You can also trade fractional shares and crypto. This makes it perfect for new investors or those who trade small amounts frequently. The con, their biggest drawback is the cost of U.S. dollar trades. Unless you pay a $10 monthly fee for their USD account, Wealthsimple forces you to convert your Canadian dollars to USD and back on every U.S. stock trade, costing you around 1.5% each way, a fee that can eat into your returns over time. It's also a more basic platform, lacking the advanced tools and deep research options of its competitors. Who is this for? The casual investor, the beginner, or someone primarily buying Canadian assets in a TFSA or RRSP. Questrade, the established pro. Questrade is the veteran power user platform. They've been around since 1999 and offer a more robust feature set for the active trader. The pro, Questrade offers a wider range of investment accounts, including RESPs and liras. More importantly, they allow you to open dedicated U.S. dollar accounts for free. This is a massive cost saver for U.S. stock investing, as you only pay the currency conversion fee once when funding the account, not on every single trade. They also offer more in-depth research tools, advanced order types, and access to more investment types like options, mutual funds, and GICs. The con, while they offer free ETF purchases, they charge a commission for selling ETFs and buying stocks, typically between $4.95 and $9.95 per trade. This commission can be a deterrent if you're making frequent small-sum stock purchases. They also have a $1,000 minimum deposit to start investing. Who is this for? The active trader, the experienced investor, or anyone who plans to heavily invest in U.S. stocks. The bottom line, choose your fighter. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends entirely on your strategy. For beginners and Canadian-focused buyers, go with Wealthsimple Trade for the true zero-commission experience and easy-to-use app. For active traders and U.S. stock buyers, go with Questrade to save on currency conversion fees and gain access to more professional-grade tools. The good news is that both are excellent, secure, and low-cost options. The future of investing is cheap and accessible, so pick the one that fits your style and start building your wealth today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.